Forbes has dropped its much anticipated World's Billionaires list for 2025. And while some names remain at the top, there are a few surprises. Who's the richest person on the planet? Where do Indian billionaires Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani rank? And is Alice Walton still the richest woman? Let's dive in. This year, Forbes' World's Billionaires list has expanded to a record-breaking 3,028 entrepreneurs. That's 247 more than last year, and collectively they are richer by a staggering $2 trillion, pushing their total wealth to $16.1 trillion. As expected, the United States leads the pack with a whopping 902 billionaires. China, including Hong Kong, follows with 516, and India holds a strong third place with 205 billionaires. So who made it to the coveted top 10? Let's break it down. At number 10, Steve Ballmer, former Microsoft CEO and owner of the LA Clippers, holds a wealth of $118 billion. Zara's fashion mogul Amancio Ortega takes the 9th spot with $124 billion, making him one of the few Europeans on the list. Google co-founder Sergey Brin ranks 8th with a fortune of $138 billion, closely followed by fellow Google co-founder Larry Page at number 7 with $144 billion. The 6th spot goes to Warren Buffett, the legendary 94-year-old investor with a net worth of $154 billion. In 5th place, Bernard Arnault, the LVMH giant, remains the richest non-American in top 10 with $178 billion. Oracle's Larry Ellison secures the 4th spot with $192 billion. Moving into the top 3, Jeff Bezos claims the 3rd position with a net worth of $215 billion thanks to Amazon's continued growth. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg climbs to 2nd place with $216 billion, making him not only the 2nd richest but also the youngest billionaire in the top 10. And unsurprisingly, Elon Musk reigns supreme at the top with a staggering $342 billion, nearly doubling his wealth from the last year. Now let's talk about the richest women on the list. Alice Walton, heir to the Walmart empire, leads the pack at number 15 with $101 billion. However, only 6 women made it to the top 50. L'Oreal heiress Francoise Bettencourt Meyers follows at number 20 with $81.6 billion, while Julia Koch and family take the 21st spot with $74.2 billion from Koch Industries. Chocolate empire owner Jacqueline Mars ranks 33rd with $42.6 billion. Shipping tycoon Rafaela Aponte Diamant is at 44 with $37.7 billion. And India Savitri Jindal rounds off the list at number 48 with a net worth of $35.5 billion. And what about India's richest and wealthiest people? Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Industries, is ranked 18th with a net worth of $92.5 billion, making him the richest Indian and wealthiest Asian on the list. Gautam Adani follows the number 28 with a fortune of $56.3 billion. Ambani leads Asia, followed by TikTok founder Zhang Yiming at 23, Nongfu Spring Zong Shanshan at 26, and then Adani at 28. One name missing from the top 10, Bill Gates. The Microsoft co-founder now is at number 13 with $108 billion. That's a quick breakdown of the Forbes World's Billionaires list 2025. What are your thoughts? Who do you think will rise or fall next year? Let us know in the comments and keep following BWTV.